What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you a nice splash effect on Canva. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your Canva, find the design into the size that you need, okay? And type black splatter, just like this. Go to generate, click on this little arrow and go to graphics. Wait while Canva generate for you the graphics, okay? It can take more or less time. I'm already asked Canva to generate some for me, so here's the result I got. Apply this graphic on your page, align to the center. Seems like Canva already made some new ones for me, but I'm gonna use this previously made one. Go to share into the upper right corner of your screen, click on download, make sure you download this as PNG and download, okay? After, you can delete this, go to uploads, upload file, select the file that you just have downloaded and place it on your page, just like this, okay? And now go to your uploads and upload the image that you would like to be the background of this shape. I think this one right here looks fancy. Now go to apps into the left sidebar of menus. And once on apps, you can type blend image. Just like this. Go to this first result with the big B and select the first picture, okay? This is splash. And use as bottom layer. So click on use selected image. Now select the image. It can be a photo of yours, a photo of some element, some option that I would like to give some attention to. Use as selected image on top layer, okay? Now on blend mode, you can choose screen, okay? And on top layer, adjust top layer, you can scale, just like this. You can do some vertical offset or horizontal offset, just like this. After getting the result you want, you can even rotate, apply to the page, and here is the final result we got. Nice, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free, use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!